The platform is broken down into 5 main sections: funds, trading, staking, buy-sell, and your account profile. In the Portfolio tab of funds, you can see your entire portfolio's progress over time, your individual assets and their performance, and the split of all of your assets across your Nash account. Assets is where you can see the individual breakdown of all of your digital assets and their locations in your Nash account. If you want to deposit your funds into Nash, you need to do so by sending them to your personal account. From here you can then send your assets to the trading contract for trading, or to another external wallet outside of Nash. This is where you can see any incoming, outgoing, pending or failed transfers in relation to your Nash account. The trading section is broken down into the exchange, markets and orders. You have the option to either use the advanced exchange, or if you prefer something a bit simpler, the basic exchange. Markets shows you all of the available trading pairs that Nash currently has to offer on the exchange. Orders contains all of the open, filled and cancelled orders you have made in the past, as well as the trade history related to those orders. Some regions will have a buy-sell section available to them, where you can select a fiat provider and purchase and sell digital assets for fiat currencies. This is the staking section of the platform. If you own Nash's security token NEX, you can stake your NEX tokens and receive dividends back. This section is broken down into stakes that are in progress, completed stakes, and dividend statements. Your profile is broken down into your profile details, where you can see your personal information, account security, where you can update your two-factor authentication, profile limits, where you can see your trading limits for the Nash exchange, and the digital asset accounts associated with your Nash account, where you can reveal your private keys and 12 secret words. Finally, Nash has a dark mode, so whether you're trading late at night or just prefer dark themes, we have that covered for you too.